Hello there people, this is the final video of the series. If you've got this far, well done. You're now doing the distinction activity. This activity has to do with adding extra functions to your spreadsheet, okay? We're going to focus on the pass criteria, which is on here, where you have to use a max function to find out the highest amount of tax that is being paid on the trip by a teacher. And you also have to find the min function, which is to find the lowest amount of tax being paid by a teacher on the trip, and also to use the countif function to find out how many teachers are working overtime and therefore will need time off after the French trip. So let's go to our spreadsheet. We have our spreadsheet here. We're going to find out the largest teacher pay. You can do it anywhere on your spreadsheet. I just choose to do it where I'm choosing right now. Okay, in cell A17, I'm going to just fill it with a color. I'll use blue again for the purposes of what I'm doing. And I'm going to find the teacher with the largest pay in terms of the total pay. To do that, I will go equals. I want to find the biggest amount that is being paid to a teacher. It will be equals max, brackets open. Let's select the total pay section. Let's close it, enter, and there we have the largest teacher pay. Okay, and that is actually for Mr. Hobbs. Let's go and find the smallest teacher pay. Once again, let's fill it with a color, make it bold, go this way. Equals, we're going to use the min function, min, brackets open. Let's select again. Let's close it. There you go. We have £515, okay? And also we have to find, actually it was to find the teacher with the lowest amount of tax. So I've done an extra bonus, so let's just go lowest amount of tax being paid. Once again, let's just stretch it out a bit. We're going to use the min function again, and that is equals min, brackets open, the lowest amount of tax. Search through these amounts here, and the lowest amount of tax being paid is £128.75. And then finally, we want to find out how many teachers are working overtime. I'll put that here as well. I'm going to just fill it in with blue as well. So now that we've done all of that, the final function will be using a countif function to find out how many teachers will need time off when they return from France. So let's go into A20. Once again, you don't have to put it where I'm putting it. You can put it wherever you want. So let's enter teachers needing overtime, because we're talking about teachers who are working more than 35 hours. So teachers needing overtime, we're going to use a countif function, and this is how it works. So we're going to look in the hours worked column here. To do that, we're going to equals countif, brackets open. Let's select the columns in which we want to search, this column here, comma, and let's open our quotation marks. We want to find any teachers who are working more than 35 hours. Close, and there you have it. So it's equals countif, brackets open, select cells D3 to D10, quotation marks. If it's greater than 35, quotation marks, meaning count the number of cells that have numbers in there that are greater than 35. That's basically what it means. And we have 5 teachers. And that is pretty much it. You will need to do this. Take screenshots as you go. Paste it on your evidence report. Explain in clear detail what you are doing. Remember, your work is evidence-based. Now, please go, get on with it, and get it done now.